Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Smart TV, and in today's video I will show you on how to change your Google Smart TV screensaver, or how you can use your Google photo as a screensaver on your Google Smart TV. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do on your home screen right here on your Google Smart TV, go ahead and navigate to settings. On getting to settings, go ahead and click on screensaver right here. Then having clicked on screensaver, come down below right here, swipe down right here, then you are here. Go ahead and choose Google Photo right here. So once you choose Google Photo, verify your identity to access your Google Photo. So this will allow you to log in with your password of your Google account. So go ahead and enter your Google account password. I've entered the Google password. Go ahead and hit on OK, and it's going to connect. So here we go. Create a PIN. You'll be asked to create a 3-digit PIN that you have to create a 4-digit PIN that you always remember each time you want to have access to your Google account. So your PIN make it easier to confirm your account without having to enter your password each time. Don't use number in order of like 1234 or 9876. Or don't use repeating digits like 2222 or 3333. So you have to make sure you choose a unique PIN right here. Set up your PIN and then connect your Google Photo to your Google Smart TV in a home screensaver. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Smart TV like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next.